If your PC is slow, I will show you some steps. By following those steps, you can make your PC faster. So first, press on window key and go to settings. Now from here, go to Windows Update and ensure that you are on the latest version of Windows. So if any new version is showing here, click on Resume Updates and this will check for the updates. If any update shows, download and install it. So after doing this, just close it and then again press on window key and then search here, run, and then open this. After this, a pop-up will show. Now into this, right here, temp, and then click on OK and just wait. So here you can see some files are showing. Now select them all and then delete them. So here you can see the all files are deleted. So here are some files which will not delete. So leave that. So this will only delete temporary file, not your any data. So this will clear the cache in your computer. So if you want to clear more unnecessary data on your computer, press on window key and then open settings. So here you can see I am on the latest version. Okay, version is available. I will keep on download and install. So this will download and install the latest version. So let me show you how can you clear storage on your computer, which will make your PC faster. So from here, go to system and then go to storage. And here you can see it is loading. So this will take a few seconds to load. So just wait till this loading ends. So let me show you what you have to do. So here you can see it is a folder or can say option, temporary files. Click on it. So here you can see all the temporary files are showing here. You can also choose the recycle bin. So recycle bin is a place in computer where all the deleted data is stored for some time. So you can also delete this data. So please ensure that you should not tick mark this download. So this will erase the all the downloaded files on your computer. So please be careful while you are deleting this temporary data. So also you can delete other data to clean up your computer space, which will make your PC faster. So this is how you can make your PC faster. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.